Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Soumit. Today I am going to explain about different differences between the finite state machines with output. They are nothing but the Mealy and Moore machines. Let us see what are the differences and the different applications involved in Mealy and Moore machine. So coming to the introduction, FSM, finite state machines can be, they are the sequential circuits that can be divided into two categories. Generally, these finite state machines have output in them. So considering the finite state machines with output, there are two types. They are Mealy and Moore. In this presentation, we will explore the differences between two types of FSMs and their applications and various fields. Mealy machines. In a Mealy machine, the output depends on both the current state and the input. These machines are useful in applications where the output is dependent on both current state and input, such as in communication systems and digital circuits. So in Mealy machine, the output depends on both the current state and also the input. So when coming to the Moore machine outputs depends only on the current state. These machines are useful in applications where output is dependent only on the current state, such as in traffic control systems, vending machines, etc. So what are the main differences involved between Mealy and Moore machine? The main difference between Mealy and Moore machine is the way they generate the output. Mealy machine generate output based on current state and input, whereas the Moore machine generates output based on only the current state. Additionally, Mealy machine have less states than Moore machine, but they are more complex to design. So generally, Mealy machines are more complex to design. Applications of Mealy machines. So in our day-to-day life, where we are going to use this type of Mealy machines and Moore machines. So coming to the Mealy machines are commonly used in communication systems, digital circuits, control systems, etc. They are also used in error detection and correction techniques such as CRC, cyclic redundancy check codes, which will be useful in transferring the communication to a network. Applications of Moore machine. So there are different applications of Moore machine. Moore machines are commonly used in traffic control systems because in Moore machine the outputs only depend upon the current state. We will also use this Moore machine on vending machines and security systems. They are also used in pattern recognition techniques such as speech recognition and image processing. So on a conclusion, we can conclude that Mealy and Moore machine are two types of finite state machines that have different applications in various fields. Mealy machines generate output based on current state and input, whereas Moore machines generate output on only on the current state. Both type of machines have their own advantages and disadvantages, and their choice depends upon the specific application, specific use case in which user is trying to use. Thank you, one and all.